Hello, my name is Debbie from Whitehorse Manningham Libraries. In our tutorial today, I'll show you helpful tips and tricks when reading your OverDrive ebook in Libby. When your book is downloaded and ready to read, you will find it on your shelf. Tap on the cover to start reading. Notice the menu options that appear when you open the book. You can tap the middle of the screen to hide them, and when you tap the middle of the screen again, they will appear. So tap to hide and tap to show. We will look at how you can use the options later. For now, I'll just hide them. You open the book and turn the pages by tapping the right edge of the screen, and you will see blank pages, preliminary pages, and table of contents as you'd normally find in a book. You can tap on any of the chapters to go straight to that chapter. This is especially helpful when you're reading a non-fiction title. But since we have a fiction title here, we're going to read it from page to page. So I'm just going to keep turning the pages as if I was reading the book. Anytime you want to turn the pages backward, just tap on the left edge. To adjust the text size and page color, first bring up the menu by tapping the middle of the screen. Tap the letter A in the top right-hand corner. The appearance options appear. Slide the handle on the text scale to select your preferred text size. Note that you can also add more sizes by turning on Include Accessibility Sizes. For the lighting, you have the options Sepia, Dark, and Bright. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see more font options, including dyslexic options and custom options for typeface, line spacing, etc. When you're done, tap the text on the page to hide the menu. When you want to place a bookmark on the page, tap the top right-hand corner and your bookmark will appear. Now let me turn a few more pages and place a few more bookmarks. I will show you how to access these bookmarks later. But before that, there are a few hidden features that you can access by long pressing on words on the page. You can long press on single words, or drag your finger across a few words to select all of them. Then the pop-up menu will allow you to define or highlight the words. If you want to see your bookmarks or highlighted text, you can tap to show the menu, then tap this little picture that looks like multiple bookmarks, and all of them will appear. If you tap on any of the bookmarks, it will take you back to that part of the book. Also note the navigation controls on the bottom of the page. They show you where you are in the book, including the page and the chapters. It shows you how many pages there are to each side of the current chapter, and you can click on either side to rewind to the previous or fast forward to the next. And here's a timeline that you can drag to go to different parts of the book. The bold dark lines show where the chapters begin, and when you tap on them, Libby takes you to the chapter. Finally, there is a search feature on the top right-hand corner. For example, when you can't remember where a certain character comes from, or when you want to see where a certain word appears in the book, this is a brilliant feature. I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial and learning about all the tips and tricks that will make your reading a pleasure. If you need further assistance, please feel free to give us a call or drop in at one of our branches to have a chat with our friendly librarians.